Fool me once, fool me twice. When you're hiding things, might as well be lies. Can you ever get it right? How long will I let this?
Hey, welcome back to Joyce Michelle. I am her, Joyce Michelle. So today is a part of a series, and this is part one. So we're going to be going over my beauty room tour. And so today I'm just going to focus on the first set of bookshelf. I bought these bookshelves from Target. Everything will be linked in the description box. But we're just going to start with the first bookshelf. So I'm going to take you all up, and I just recently brought all of my boots back out to prepare for fall. So the first set of boots, if you go back, and I'll try and tag all the videos or pin all the videos. The first set of boots, which are brown, I got these from Ross for less, and I think they were around $20 to $25. Next, I won't be able to link these, but the rest of the boots I'll be able to link. So the next set pair of boots are a pair of boots from JustFab.com, and I will, like I said, I will put links for every set or pair of boots except for the chocolate brown ones. Then next, I was like, so how are you going to jazz up your shelf for this one? So specifically, you have a purse from SHEIN that matches the chocolate boots. Then you have a black purse from SHEIN that matches these pair of boots. Let me bring y'all down. Next, you have two pair of stiletto boots from JustFab, and the heels are no more than like 3 to 3.5 inches, so they're actually very good and stable for us plus size thick madams to walk in. So I also have them in a pair of Tahitian red color. Next, to pair with the boots, I have a purse from SHEIN and also a leopard print or animal print bag to go with these boots. And finally, I have another pair of stiletto boots from JustFab, and also some brown riding boots from JustFab. So that is the first bookshelf and how I have it decorated. So I will provide links for everything. The rest of the shelves, I think the makeup shelf I'm gonna have to record last because it has a lot of items. But you all know a lot of my jewelry, costume jewelry or fashion jewelry, I ain't gonna say costume, but fashion jewelry is from SHEIN. So I'll be able to link everything. But this makeup shelf, honey, that's a lot of stuff for me to find links for. So this is my shelf one in part one of the series beauty room tour. And let me know if you all like this type of series so I can know to finish, keep doing it. And I need you all to subscribe to the channel. Also follow me on Amazon. All the links to my different social medias will be in the description box. You have LTK, ShopMy, and Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and of course here on YouTube. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn your post notifications to all, like the video, and I'm going to start asking you all to share the video. Yeah, share these videos. We need some more traction. The channel is still growing, but I need y'all to share. So I'm going to give y'all a good roll and footage of everything that's on this shelf. And like I said, the links will be in the description box, except for that one chocolate pair of boots that I got from Ross. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Stay blessed and stay safe.
once, fool me twice. When you're hiding things, might as well be lies. Can you ever get it right? How long will I let this shit fly? Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive, you getting on my nerves. We gon' get lit on this ride. I look too damn good to fight. Don't expect me to come home tonight. Once, fool me twice. When you're hiding things, might as well be lies.